How to log into your Twitch application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Twitch application. So once you fill up all of your details, just hit the sign up button over here and sign into your Twitch account just like this. So it might take you to your browser version, so you can also log in over here with the login credentials which we just created. So once you do that, just click on login over here and you will be successfully redirected to your page of your home screen of the official Twitch application. And once you're inside your profile section, just tap on this verify option and you'll need to verify your account by heading over to your Gmail. So let me just copy the code from over here just like this and paste it over here. And so once you enter your verification code, your email will be successfully verified and now you can use your Twitch application just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.